Moshe kanjani bathini ngisemotweni Paula sinegang ngichill sisembolweni Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to another episode of Emotraining All the Time. I'm your boy Lloyd Stacks, aka Super Lloyd, the Xhosa Rockstar, Big Mia, Big Twaninu, Big Sibewu, Nyana Kathemba no Con. My mom was from Nigeria, so fuck around and she'll con the fuck out of here. Yeah, but otherwise today is Pete's special guest, dog. He goes by the name of Morito. Yeah, well, am I calling it right?
Mojito.
Oh, Mojito.
The R is silent, man. Nick.
And today I'm fit to by 3 upper, just like it Dorito. But it's Mojito. It's Mojito. But otherwise, I just want to say thank you for pulling up to the show, man. Thank you very much, dog. Thank you very much. So, I'm not like Talana Gwazi, yabo.
Yeah.
Talana, maybe like 2 years back. I don't know, but
yeah.
I think like a week ago, in a Tachwa OG.
Yeah.
Master Marvelous, dog. Come here.
Shout out to him. Shout out to you.
Damn. Fit to like imagine with that traffic. Oh, chill out here. But even Achuswamla is dropping something. So can you just hit him up? No. So I just wanted to ask, like, Rodmani, to the people who don't know it out there, like Ungbani and Ngowapi lawe.
Yeah. So yeah, mna igama lami nguSiyabonga April.
Siyabonga April.
Yeah, ngizalelwe kwindawo ekuthiwa kuseSoweto NC eGqeberha. Mara manje ngisewoma
Sewoma.
Anzuthi ngihlale woma kanye Soweto. That's why ngithiwa ndiyitsotsi yaseBhayi.
Yeah.
So ngikwaseBhayi because ngomso xa uzonifumana phe woma uzonifumana. Ngizoba kwenye indawo, yawo. So yeah, ndingusiyabonga April, ngumbamba, ngoxela, nguthangana, umvulana, umsodi, inyoka emnyama ecandisa iziba. Yeah, bafiti noba ngayirapper kade eGqibeleni ngumXhosa ndiyindoda.
Awe ma. Yo. Otherwise Pete cousin wakho happy ghost man.
Yeah. Shout out.
Pete cousin yakho the ghost man, dog.
Yeah.
So Pete tu ngwaseBhayi. Yeah, let's say ngwaseBhayi. When did you come to eWoma lawe?
Kahle woma eSoweto bengihlala noNozala yabo.
Yeah.
So itime isewoma.
Okay.
So nsiza ngezazikhathi ndikhula yabo impahla zeChristmas is away. So ukuhlale woma ke ngiqale uhlala ngo2022 which means 2 years ago le wena undazi ngayo.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, so it was like 2 years ago. Now
2 years ago.
Yeah.
And how did you meet Lamajita? Like did now OK Beats and like how did you know OK Beats? Okay Beats in dibene nabo njani ikhona enye out lawe, so shout out to him Uriz the Future. We need him on the pod.
Yeah. So Uriz like wayithanda ukuya kumdala.
Yeah.
Wayengayi kume search waya kwabantu nawabami yabo. So siyarepa sonke but mina ndirepe kasi ndibana naye kanze apha. So na move kasi ndazapha. So like indaba berecorda kuyo OK Beats isestratweni like kufupa papa gomso besiloko ndlula pha reason be like hey man akwazi Soweto nasi studio. Honestly speaking Joe, I was like hey man andifuna recorda nezindwane so kusibhadle zechaya man nezindwane yawo Gqibeleni aqomba no man ngeke ndiziphi chance apha ndike ndiye ke ngebed lakhe ke xa ndisiya apha hey fike ngqonqo kuvaliwe apha yawo ngqonqoza. Yeah. Xa nifika apha e-studio ngebed lakhe lawe le autoriza yikho apha. Imagine ke Joe like kuvaliwe apha ndanqonqoza. So kuyabuza ungubani? Enza ngqoza ngubani because akho umuntu ndaziyo kula mazito nondaziyo akekho apha. So I was like manje ngumojito. Kwavula kwathi cwaka. Kwavula umnyango. Ndafika amajito eshaya ingoma la.
Fika kuko bange la xesha kuko OK.
So xa nifika apha e-studio kukho OK Beats, Last Street Beats, kukho noSisa, uLamija wayengekho wayekho kwisuku lesibini. So ndifika kukho bokona boyesithathu boyi3. So ngokube ebethi beat OK Beats fethu amfuxoka lawe. Seka wahamba Joe fika endaweni umameli beat Pay in mind ndisuke lokishini suke Soweto Joy Soweto like ndisipana nabantu ndisiya yoma ngoma John ufuna uzivusele label yami home xa ndifika apho K-Beats ubethi beat I was like nansi le brand ifunayo like le producer kudala ndifuna yiyo le mamela ke bethi beat la street beat man sithi kafakele into ethile yo ajonga John ngoma John sephuphini lapha yabo eyihambi beat yami kufike apha uShorty Name Slime
Shouting them slime, dog. Cool shit.
Ifiki izinkulu phone yabo. And then ke kwazi like uthi like kanifaka le beat because namanje dawandazi mfethu yabo.
Yoyika
la wona dabawula ungena kule beat mfethu and then the beat is international dog like yahamba. Yabo yafika Shorty Name Slime was like athi Shorty Name amajonga man. Ekoli awunonifaki ihook man lewe engimele awuzayimosha le beat kanjani hey fondini yayi wangena lo mjita was like hey man mfethu studios underground esinkosi
hey
nyanleze kayo
yo seyenzeka
nanqoma yojonga le out ndiyayazi bayabhatalisa qha jonga asekho ngobhatala namali mina John ufuna sispansane yabo so under record ngala mini xa liphinde ndibuya kukho ke ngo K-Beats no Lamage studio nane xa ndifika apha ndiringe nalo mjito K-Beats baye kuseni mfethu ngitswembuliwe K-Beats was like atane zama lewe qhama le equipment yama ikho grand man yabo I was like into wrong ufuna niva nix wrong man is mic nindoni esiba ixesha lehamba nomjito adlala ibeat so I did my first song and it was a freestyle bro ndayibeka ku Facebook nsano i-record and the shit went viral saqala apho sipana soyithuna lamajita
what song was that
ikhona iwe yasithi Keles lawe
khona khumula enye imini la wenza studio nami phan omejo naqala umbona lo mnu la ngibani lo la and then you jumped on the mic mose mic now yivi beat la kuva nje umlet rapper la we so qom ndola yenzayo lo la kanjo ngaphakathi la sorry like but as soon as yafakwa ne beat yafakwa njena like i-preset nenono ngoma yes this shit is lit dog this shit is lit okay Mohito but nobengalazi gama lakhe la xesha I just saw you on Facebook gama lakho ngMohito Mohito mean so le way yakho emculo lawe when did it start basically like
okay so le way fethu iqale like yabona phakume endlini and last born phakumo mina yabo singamadoda sodwa sonke lawo like sonke singamadoda ndiyilasibone like ngotya benqalo uyesigela ubhuti wami bebestoti boyi2 oyi1 eRoadman yami engahlali pha bebestoti boyi2 ubhuti bami like ngeweekends ebongolosihlanu so kuma iBM phawo yabo gcwelela amajita amastoti ubona kanjani ukudlala izingoma zekwaito fethu nomkhulu nomthando uzola nomandoza yebo
no wonder
ivoice yami lena hlobo ngikhula ngithanda umandoza nozola lawo yebo so xa kufika lamajita pha ndiyoma pha ku umna isonda ndizomamela into azithethayo wathi yabo but ndizo like ndizomamela umculo
uzophola lawe eqala kumamela umculo
yabona kanjani fit nozala hey anokufuna abusuka apha yabona ngine pha kumendlini yabo ndakusasa xa kufuneka ndiyesigela nime phambi kwesipili ndibambe ibrush ndiyacula phambi kwesipili yabona kanjani and then mama so engixela ba uzocula wena and ndifuna lonto abantu abaculayo abatyi drugs nebadfat andifuna umntana ostoti no wabhuti bakho bastoti bona sawe so iqale phala we like mamela umculo ikwaito bear in mind ke mfethu yabona nje like hip hop especially esiXhosa ayengekabikho ngokya burapa ngesixhosa kwakuthiwa urap ikwaito ngathi ngikwaito ubethe ikwaito lo mjita yabo mina nikhule like ngozola bear in mind futhi yazi ikhona ingoma ka i-album ka Celine Dion ethi My Heart Will Go On from track 1 to track 17 ndicula word to word
how old are you nigga mama Celine Dion how old are you
very mdala now
so okay let me not ask that question
I rephrase that question
okay I take it back cause nanya pixely dollars umculo zamamela zawungamkhethi ngokwakho zawumamela umculo la khomanyelwa elokishini because nathi I used to listen to now Brenda Fassie dog or Huge Masikela because abedlala next nasemakora nasejoinini boni ozola 7 and all that shit but
yeah so into yenzekayo mna like even ngoku bro sozuyifana uyibone idlala ingoma ye hip hop phakume endlini idlalwa ndimi especially andimameli kwa ingoma zami you won't believe fit ba my first song and I drop ale when okay beats official sorry my second song cause ngiqale ngosondela like uniboni way andikwazi umcula kahle verse yakhe na cause andimameli rap andimameli kwa ingoma zami
yazilibala nawe lines zakho
cause andimameli hip hop andimameli hip hop law.
Is it me or is it all rappers like clean rappers up like can you give him the mic climate pen with lawe or do you by the way it's the ghost man over here or shouting them slime. You're a rapper, dog. Do you like sometimes forget your lines out?
Dog, that shit for me happens all the time.
I know it, dog.
I don't feel like I pay too much attention to the music I make, dog.
Yeah.
Like ingoma ndiyakwazi like uyimamela nxa studio.
Yeah.
Drop it. And then most of the time umna ngumntu we status I like to yabonga post status ngoku ndisimamela kayi10
I see
ingoma zami kuba kuze ndizazi like word for word ndisimamela ku status but for the most part anzazi ngoma zami
that's late dog.
Now so I think into yami emculo iqale phala like xanza escale nibamba mic yabo so I was young, Joe. I was 12 years old.
Yeah, that's when you started like rapping and getting into music.
Yeah, uqala kwami ugrapper like disibhalele my first song kwakungo 2007 kusoleke iRotman yami. First song yami ndibhale ndigqibe because ubona kusika sonke musaqala ngezawe gama ndinguproof ndinxiba waterproof yabona
mncinci forever mncinci forever zino la
bro siqale ngezawe ke thina sonke no KGTMZ shout out to him bro yawo siqale ngezawe nalamjita yabo amajita gama ndinguproof. So first song yami ndibhala ndayibhala like kusoleke iRotman yami ndayibhala ndayigqiba. So it was 2007 after May because Rotman yami yasoleka first week ka May. So it was 2007
bhalele Rotman.
My first full song ndabhalele Rotman yami lo.
Now that's nice lawe. So and after that uqoma man ndayithandwa lewe
ndayikwazi lewe ngenye into bandayithanda ndayikwazi lewe ndithanda ngokutyana kaloku bendisiya esikini ndiyoma pha kwiRotman yabona ndiyozenza umandoza pha so ndaqomba man mandiphume kuBooth ngoku ndizibhalile izam man ndayikwazi man so I met uTamasibu lawe both I met uKenji before uTamasibu Kenji was like ikhona iproducer period aqhubeka lale ngoxolo uTamasibu mfethu so because umjita is no more
yabona skills lawe
so athi lo mjita uKenji TMZ man ikhona Rotman ikhona iproducer period was like khomdo yenza umculo apha eSoweto foni itswemla Rotman masiye kuyo ngoku lo asincama lo but eventually saya lawe and umjita was good yayi good la Rotman lawe yayi-good la Rotman so i-first producer yami yayinguTamasibu lawe
Tamasibu
simbiza uDokotela
RIP Tamasibu lawe and then after that man like how many like after that you started making music and you started pushing and all that stuff and you mentioned Kenji TMZ dog. You just mentioned Kenji TMZ. Do you know who Kenji is, dog? I think he's the best rapper in PE right now. Kanye, am I capping? I don't know. But how did you meet the bro, dog? How do you know Kenji TMZ?
Yabona uKenji TMZ like lamjita see friend yam from ePuleni but friendship yethu ayisoye friendship anymore sizi brothers. Yabona umzekelo njani? Yabona uKenji ba unohlelwa yinto kwindawo kuyo unozala wami izaba ngumuntu oqala kanye ibe ngumuntu wesibini ukuya phako kwabo that's how close you are fit yabo so lamjita like sikhula soyi2 ingeke into ye rap singamaphantsula jo singamaphantsula before music bro sincebeza weqathele all star neDickies asikwazi ucula asikwazi no Booth jo so lamjita ndikhula naye fit from singabantwana I think I was 5-6 years old yawo so sikhula soyithuna lamjita indaba like asidibani emculweni yawo so sikhula soyithuna
nah that's late lawe so ke ngoku as time goes on carried on making music yabo who inspired you like maybe like as a rapper come here man Kotan I want to be like this nigga right now like I know you mentioned also but for me it was like J Cole dog. And I listened to J Cole I'm like yes I want to be able to do this shit too, dog. But I know I'm not gonna do it at this level because no, like
yeah.
And then Ifani, I used to listen to Ifani all the time. The OG, dog. And like when who or some of the rappers inspired you, come, you know what? I like this shit. I see it from Ngasin, finding this guy.
Yeah. So into yenzeka yabo. Nje sisi rapper, yabo.
Yeah.
Into enibangela ngqombe John Funi studio ndrop yong. Ndava ingoma ka Pro ethi uzuzuba bona. Labantu bakhona. I was like indaqala uva irap yeveneke lelihlobo. What the fuck is this, bro? Like ku Pro Kid lo and udrop album lo Mjita luckily lo Mjita sasirecorda kuye yamncanywa uPro like uThomas Buwa imncanywa uPro. Hey phone inxa sifika kulo Mjita athi Majita jonga ndifuna uKenji TMZ ke wayithana urapper ngeEnglish mina ndirapper Xhosa yeah but ngokomjita like ngokokwakhe I wasn't good enough
yeah
sorry bandibeke lo hlobo but yeah I wasn't good enough. Umjita was like no man Feto how about liwe uyenze ehlobo ingqoma jonga le level ile ndi eme kuyo but hey andikwazi ufika apha because le poni isete high bar uyabona kanjani Feto so liwe iqale ko Pro but apha eBhayi oyena umuntu ngqombi yejo le poni yabona ikhona enye Rodman kwakuthiwa nguJino enengoma ethi phakama phaphama come on phakama bozama are you sure la Rodman lawo yase Motherwell Gina inengoma no ayifani yeah uJino lawo.
Think I've heard about uJino. Is it a yellow bone nigga?
Yeah, Umjito mhlophe njengawo.
Okay. Angomhlophe.
Yeah. Angomhlophe yeah. So amajita afana noJino. So ndakhula ndaphume primary ndakwakobo Mr Bean, Umuji. So first live performance endayibukela yayingu Mr Bean. I was like ile Boni.
Yo Mr Bean, why have Mr Bean dog?
Boni. Yeah, I think sekhona lawo. Was like ile Boni yinzu yembule chap. So ke nje lapha high school anditsho lapha eBhayi kukhona Mr Bean yabo. Kulapho ndidibana khona nomjito okuthiwa nguTodman yabo.
Yeah, since ukuva ngoTodman.
Yeah, uTodman okwi-group othiwa i-K1 ngesasikhathi nguye nomsisto no K-Stex kodwa ngiqala over K-Stex ngicema ngulu K-Stex aya okay ayinguye lo mazi ayinguye lo yabo so yeah no K-Stex ngalonga lo nyaka lawo kulapho ke ngwabhuka into sifana ne-Cypher bear in mind ke xa sipaka uMasibu like siya recorder but ingoma zethu asiphumi abantu bayanibona esigila ba yo hayi sorry Feto but if freestyle ngela xa sinani VTs bro.
So you're a freestyler, huh?
Back then, bro. But not anymore.
To drop something now. Drop something for
not anymore. Yes, I got a global party why ndingasa freestyle anymore. Yeah, so yeah, Eskela, dibana no Todman. So kahle ndi inspiration ngabantu like aba around mina ngesasikhathi yabo after ke ndive uPro yabo cause uJino wayicousin wenye brand and rapper nayo kwakuthiwa nguParana naye so wasweleka ke may his soul rest in peace bro yabo so Parana manje sithi ngubhuti wami uJino lukhala ngaye wena was like uJino ingowalapha eBhayi uxoka manje wena uzalana njani lo Mjito but la Mjito waphela siza naye uJino was like hey man ayinguye kodwa ubona izingoma zifana
yeah
up until yet masuJino xa irapper like ubethe sawe ekuseni lambile okusani lambile Basil High School kodwa still like nexayithethe uthethela hlobo was like yenguye man
lo
so Mjito was like hey fondini uyarapper kandifi ingoma yakho bear in mind ke mfethu ndidibana ngesasikhathi sasingarecord yabo sasingena ngoma so I was like uJino anangoma man but yazinto ndinayo ibeat apha kuma phone ngadropa le beat ndikubulala le freestyle ngokungabelieve the nigga was like xhoma wena ndakhupha and then ndabulala Feto Mjito was like hey bra uyayikwazi mostly we phone no jonga sabudibana yawona kanjani Feto no sadibana nje yama otherwise so na inspiration ngezaways xa ndrepela umuntu bethanda we Feto yabona Todman since uyembu Joe Eskela ifunda enzondi ifunde quiz mina no Stex yawo glad speaker sidibane weyini kadiswa ne crowd yabona kanjani Feto so I was inspired ngabantu aba around him yeah
Boniwe hey I heard this song of yours dog Boniwe Joe like and again I heard you saying about like you had like 2 official tracks like out now, what do you mean? Like all the tracks before, when I was Bali zona, like all your tracks before.
And is Bali.
Bali, I see.
Ingxaki isathu mani ngazibali. Like shout out to TJC yofethu.
Yeah,
besuke siyo music yawo. Even nangoku ndisepha I got my own brand now. Yeah, I'm working on my own brand and funa ukuthi ba like
you got your own brand.
Ngaki fethu abantu bayathanda ukuthi mhlamba ndithi DC oye God's will umzathe unemali futhi ilona ngafuna ilebeka lawo yawo so yeah afuna ibeke lawo so I'm working on my own thing now yabona kanjani so osiyo when like inspire nabo thina ndaqomba man mandiyiziqalele yami way kulapho nadibana khona no K Beats king uyabona kanjani so andizibali is yabo cause that track iyo ndisebenze nabantu abaninzi inqabile i track like yam ndedwa I think i track zami zindedwa nenza mixtapes ange ndi drop yabo kungoku ndi move from Soweto ke unsiza so zande ndi drop so andizibali is ya tracks
so Bonnie Way joke. So tell us about that song. That song's lit, dog. Like bengayazi like sound njani on your new songs like but I heard from yo this nigga's lit, dog. Yabo cisha ungumntu phana like amasho like akale ingcolile ecacile by track yayo like so tell us about the song. How did that song Bonnie like came about?
I okay like nje uKenji ibulela track
andithi kayibulela ngaka yini but umna like khona no Major maspa
major so I track iqale njani apha before ndi drop uniboni way ndiqale ngoSondela yabo so Sondela is a commercial song, a
motivator song.
That's a beautiful song. Ine vocalist iphakwe nsuka kwi chorus yabo so K Beats was like makudala ungadrop ka drop ingoma yesibini and le ngoma uzayidrop ingabi soft ka drop into zaphakamisa ilokishi yabo I was like dabawela yazi mfethu lewe wathi uKijon ndinayo beat up wadlala le beat kaniboni way I was like man mfethu le sound ayo sound yami mna ndi rapper like yabona mfethu lewe yestrato lewe mani ingathi khumshe ngamandla lewe K Beats was like yiyo le mfethu took a while ba man bhale something like this and then okay unantsuku
bethong kubala la hook
ikwandim la hook
Bonnie way
ikwandim no verse 1 ikwandim
a song K Beats lana la
ndim jo
acho la ingoma K Beats Bonnie way
so le ngoma iqala njani okay athi ke wama jo subana wari le ngoma uzurapper wedwa sizobiza umuntu like o rapper le sound dithi mina kubantu umuntu urapper ne sound athi K Beats uthi yavana mos no Kenji TMC how about ungafaki yena
yabo
was like inyansile le phone so like namfonela immediately bayefethe khona ibeat up enibala ukufaka kuyo mjito was like kudala funi balindile abantu ingoma yami nakuthumela yabo but ungayithumeli empty man kafake noba indonala khona so that nizoba ne-idea banzo kuzarechwa ngantoni yefondini oko le beat ikhala andiyama ndrepe ndoni mina yabo ndiyama ndrepe ndoni K Beats urecorda nini efondini ngabhala ifokola abanthelo K Beats wama phambi kwecomputer buyayiqaphela la ngoma ithi bayiqaleni suka Madalo yansitha K Beats wena phambi kwecomputer so ndisusa yena ba sorry Madalo yansitha so nqama sakhalisi speak
issue
apho ngasiqalela inkingi
issue
gcwala ngam
issue
msita was like hey man ichorus yiyo le yabo so nathi man ikhona ndawo eshotayo Bonnie way
sure Bonnie way
what K Beats yaxoka soze le ndawo ithi sorry Madalo yansitha be ichorus ile waiting Bonnie way I was like isawudika le nto ebantwini yilo mjita wayityhuna le way I was like yo ile way le yiyo le yasendela uKenji immediately uKenji naye wakhala ba fonini le way we record kule label yakho eintsha ndithi ndininga was like yo I'm fit intsuyembu le way so mna ndisipana ehlobo ke mna ke every time senze track I have to take umjita wami o close kumlawe yabo because I believe abona fethu amajita afana no La Major is William Slime la majita yakude jo like omnye umhlamba qomba amajita but mina mfinde ibona potential yabo so every time like senze every time senze track I have to bandithathe omnye umuntu yabo so nathi kukhonansuka ku K Beats amajong safaka uKenji apha but funeka sithathe umuntu oyi1 na very yabo how about start to major wathi lo mjita as long as ukhona uKenji mayidroge track and then Major was like you man yiyo mostly ayadibana ke ngoku itrack
kumngiwe
ayadibana ngoku itrack
so kile
first time di dropper like isnippet sakhona ku Facebook ivideo ndabona imovement yabantu la
boniwe
hey fondini ile production yakho intsha le yo yeah so yeah shout out to K Beats bro ngokutuna yonke le wile
K is the K. If you don't know K, dog, you're gonna know him, dog. K is coming, dog. Yes, a funny. The best producer I owe my dog.
Yeah, I feel
one of the best producers in South Africa, dog. Yeah, well. Yeah, dog. He's going there, dog. That nigga. I'm waiting for his time. He must release his own shit, dog.
Yeah, bro.
But I feel like he's waiting for the right time.
Yeah.
So like I see where now like all your raps is more like Tsotsi.
Yeah.
Tsotsi wave, like
logish
wave.
Yeah, logish.
What made you like since I heard you say about like you listen to Ozo like Dala, that's why you stick to the logish way.
Yeah. Ingxaki yabona Glomlenza se left like ninsimbi apha ndadutyulwa lawo 2010 ka October yabo after World Cup 10 ka October, so it's 2010 yeah. So indaba yobutsotsi ndikhule phambi kwayo ezibandla
so yethu dog you live in Soweto come on you are ngcolile
so umna yilonto into endiyaziyo lawo like ezi story it's not that ndandroba kanye nandini but izwi zenzeke phambi kwami wena Joe yabo pha kusondela like lamajita chafa ho like izinto endizibonayo ezo Joe yabo cause mina bendirepa namajita engqomba jonga lena kungo 2006 inoba lena ngo2011 izabe kula level ka AKA but amajita chafa
akhuwe level
so guys yabona I think la way yenziwa nazi surroundings like kwindawo kuyo
abantu hlala nabo basically
yeah bra even nehlobo abantu abakubona ngalo yabona like xa uyirapper Lona siphuke sakho zikhulu wena engathi sisibhaxa ukhona abantwana up until like uvele TV
umayinika
yabona once uvele TV nokanye eGauteng kungona abantu bazathatha serious yawo so yeah fethu like
man let me stick to what tell us about the gunshot what happened dog if you don't have a problem
yabona uyacheka into ezenzekayo like ebhayi abona abantu badubulana demo bro abona abantu badubulana the most youth yawo if ever like we could stick together like ebhayi nje umzekelo yabo mhlawumbe ukhona omnye umjita pha oyiphotographer thina ngapha sine studio bhala mjita kenza umculo but nje sine studio sasifuna ivideo yabona kanjani mfethu wasingadibana lamjita uyiphotographer sisebenzisana sibone ukuthi mfethu kungaphumani as advertise ngezwe zethu nathi sisebenzise yena for copy visuals like abebhayi basino spanela hlobo ingaphela into yegane bra I've been preaching the way but yabona mfethu into endiqaphelayo amajita okoqala yo inika za two cocky bra ibhayi
I feel like yabona like into crime yenzwa poverty guys yabona babesi out of poverty bafika abantu who are born in richness but ikaka still is phambane yabo sibone ikaka funa ko grand still bengitsotsi la but it's crime dog
fethu lawo
and like and I don't know what's happening but I really don't know that 30 rappers like guys must money and all that shit but
behind closed doors so yabona fethu man ngathi soze akubunjwana lawe yabo umzekelo fethu yabona I think and it's funny but I'm kind of big deal of up a pie I'm kind of a big
deal you gotta be like
yabona amajita like namanye ke mfethu angaphezulu kunami if you know K Beats aba mfethu angane sakhona umjita because amajita into endijambeleyo amajita lapha eHoma they believed in him mfethu yabo ayakholelwa like kumjita how about K Beats mfethu athatha amajita Joe yabo like amahlanganisa awenzele like i-beats yabo lamajita mfethu uzangabika umjita ostoti pha lamjita ostoti uzathatha i2 kulamajita ostoti nawo angadibisanga nomculo bathi ufunda kunida ku music video lamajita mayithiwa beku music video aqombe emajonga endithanda leyo bapha camera lamajita at least mfethu athintshe minds ba hey masishuta nini emnyumvi yabona
bazoza we
lamajita namagama amakhulu mfethu ngawo ana change situation abebhayi yabona kanjani
unxake nyinto Joe like yabona let's say le nto ithethayo K ubiza abantu K yena kusakile yakhe let's say it's bantu abagrand yabo so wena ngokuthi qhe notsotsi abayithuwa so nayo K uzobalejo kodwa ile kalena olahleka izinto kodwa yabo asoba free la we. But I'm saying in that way basically because now I'm not dog I'm not growing up like even ngamameli dog yabona so abantu abagood benibanida bebe vital kuma abas distance la we kungona ngiqhuma hey man ngenhleli ngeniphole nobani man ngilahlala nobani la we and all that shit yeah but yeah I think this nigga wants to say something right there.
Yeah, but I feel like to some extent the way even lately we ring on Tamasinga because I remember the first time the Tibana
Tamasinga more hit okay before
Tamasinga
Tibana okay the first time fika Pago and then fika Nipur every time and yainga nanya le gagi ngaxelela naye khona ngaring
enza upura ela xesha
ndihamba noAchus wa Mutsepo yabo
Tsepo abasichayichofu mntanami asiqoqe emanzi sinendawo ezifuna ucela
ayifani nawe
ayifani naye awumtshintshile okay ayamtshintshile
yabo uAchus wami like dan recorder phako oye Davi wangu ke qala ba ne potential yawo omna unfortunately enough that I wasn't one of those people who came to Kane and a proposal about dog how about like ndifuna ubone uvayana awuskima nawe umna nabizwa ngokhe mna nanimbhatala okay like for every session nanimbhatala but then it came a time whereby umjita wanbiza but dog kukumeja Major is fascinated by kaka yalapha ekasi le yalapha okay umameli sumeji umculo wabo Major uthi kaka yase states le uthi yani athi
some other shit
ke kaka chayichu
the party
you kaka chayichu dog I think okay I take it back, dog. I think you guys. They gotta be into sports, some shit, dog. You wanna ask something, Caesar? Oh man, I guess you, dog. And then boom, time goes on. Really, Bonnie Way. I heard you talking about cocaine. Oh shit, dog. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a podcast. Dog. It's not radio, dog. It's not radio, dog.
Okay, guys, kudala baluyithetha niye kundibuza.
Yeah.
Umuntu othi ndibone way suba high on cocaine. I'm sorry lawe like nivi.
Hey.
Yabo khange ndithethe inyanda like before but inyani leba umuntu xa sithi eksehola ndibone way lo muntu is high on cocaine.
Hey.
Yabo.
So now we're on that song boo. High on.
Mna azange ndachaya ne entshi like anchaya nsidi lawe. Better second absela bono tywala dayeka 5 years ago but yona azange ndachaya jo like sorry Sisa namajita Major but ndimndedwa ngachayiyo estudio
zizo kama para la
ndimndedwa ngachayiyo
like cause only guess I'm like if you want to come to the podcast I buy drinks for I guess and I asked him like bona ushaya ngani la and damfit nseli drink iqana mina la when it was street beats me said anseli lean yo dog I'm never drinking lean again that shit made me nenza na relapse ala wecho phansi no relapse apho I'm like yes I don't want to smoke crack ngokla and I didn't tweak la I was way too slow and I'm like no ways I got to be fast again boy
kone nyu bra lawe second busy fe plus lawe yathi manje recorder pa xa nifika kuselwa yabona ba man ayikho drink nje and si Sprite siyabo lewe igalelo ku Sprite I was like wasita indole to afuna uya recorder nawo mos inasela lewe igqiba kutsha izolo ndidayizola andichayi kaloku but lewe ndingayisela yona
yeah
but indoni le lewe kwenza kube calm man
can you be relaxed
mamela fethu phana ndandibizele o drop iverse i-chorus plus ne-verse dam ngani ngadropekanga fokona sandrope nix bro so
wenza slow la gaga la
ihlela besifubeni yona man kwano recorder kwano phakama kwakule couch ndikuyo wena fethu so ngomba futsek man hayi
But yeah, fet la manditi ngathi mfethu la kuthiwa Grootman la. Hayi podcast lena
hayi podcast
la.
It is not as being the funga zibona zithi
la
Mojito ichila ngoma yakho ngiboniweni qombe ngelixesha nenhloni noba nenhloni mhlawumbe ndihamba nomuntu ufuna yesindwane boniweni abantu abanikwaza kwalo I understand bro.
So for me like mna as a past raps Sandi rapper, former rapper la yabona
ndakubona uperform
jo ani former rapper la inone zenza yeah
first time you attend the event woma ndabona wena uperform
weka
Chonga andikabazo KBS neliwoni ho qandi tatsha ngomnye umzita lawo sasikwi magazine e1 yalapha eBhayi so yantatsha lo mzita uyohlale woma athi ikhona event mina nami zoperforma pha enaye xa lifika le eliponi itipile ngoba khona naziyo apha mama solo nihlala ndibukela like liwe engqibhorekile lapha kuthiwa ladies and gentlemen ngokuza ngena uCastex was like
Lloyd Stacks
Lloyd Stacks Castex ngwajuice wami ngofet kuthiwa kuzongena Lloyd Stacks yabo ngibukela lo mzita nje ndiyami i-performance leponi efonini wangathi wonke umuntu uthayile so ndaqala uyibona power le ndango lo Stacks qho kanombono nasi leponi ibe number 1 performer yasekazini
guys I love performing dog. What do you like to do, making the music or performing the music?
Mfethu ngithanda Mojito.
What do you mean Mojito da?
Into endiyenzayo nomculo phakathi nabakumamela ndiyayithanda bro.
See.
Bro like asozoyikholwa le wiba mna andi rehearse xa kufanele ngiperformile. Yebo. Umna xa ndihamba apha endleleni ndimamela headphones ndiya rehearse la hlobo. Yebo. So yeah mfethu ndiyithanda zoyi2 ezaweyo. Like,
but what do you like the most? I like performing the music. That's why I make music, guys. I just want to perform. I just want to like. I was inspired about XXXTentacion, dog. Like, I perform like fucked up young crowd. I just wanted that feeling, dog. So I fucking like performing. But I get you. Tana
zoyi2, bro. Like, that. And you know about rap bayithanda performance, bro. And yazi ke wena, but yazi why bayithanda ilawiba. Bona xa uzoperform mhlawumbe kwizigama lakho kuvele khalipazi yabona imandi la especially xa isaziwa like ingoma yakho umna like ingoma yami
kanyoseliwe
like ingoma yami like yoqala like yayithandwe ekazini khona enye ingoma yiproduce ngoSkime isithi kuseyisuke yawo so yabona ngoma bro once ifakwe ndingekangeni estageni andiyazi abantu ngathi bathini yawo so ebona na feeling imandi bro that's why abantu bekuthanda ukuperform
yona skindo yike kodwa sometimes ukubona ke yike kuperforma la wesihlambi before you bekuzeka kentsuyembu lawe yes insuyembu lekaka lawe zongena shana but bayichafile ndiskin sub andifuna ungenaho bayaba seka man sayibulala le ayanyani dog lawe but yo a judge ndo yikuperforma ka judge la yo bone ndoyika until ndaqoma nje uma manithenga stretch la
uthembe
thanks stretch sam la sela the only thing I remember after that is waking up in the morning hey funny lene chera ma prabuze John performance olo taka yenze nix jo bone ngile na blackout ajo but yeah like what are your favorite places to perform at la
okoqala mfethu si street bash yabona ibash eyenzeka like iperformance eyenzeka elokishini yabona kwizindawo ezifana nezisquare esquareini akho entrance jo noma mhlawumbe uhlike ebhasini
uyayibona la yo
ubona ke umculo wami ngwase lokishini bro that's why ndiyithanda ukuperform elokishini sihambe ngisiye join in yabona ke ubejoin in the performer ndingahlali
perform uhambe la
yazi ngxaki ndo bra ilawiba bethi ingoma entsuyembu ugqiba uhle stage then uyochila namajito yakho ugqenye kakhi ithi jonga bra Mthembu lapha ekufuni bakho ngelaxesha Jobra khona ingoma yami khona umnyathus ubenqoyane yata but thithela pha
la ubona ngikwazi
la nasesikolweni bro abantwana besikolo like they got great energy bro like ibone bayayithanda hip hop ngamandla mfethu yabo bayawathanda amapiano but xa kufika umuntu operform hip hop
yenza mess la
hayi bra wesibaba bayayazi ingoma yakho hayi atsho nesesikela mfethu uya performing ku high school so yeah
and I heard dog you're releasing are you releasing a project or a song?
Single bro.
Single yeah. Tell us about the song. What is it like? What's the name of the song and any features on the song?
Le ngoma igama layo ngo Can't Get. I've been seeing snippets late. Can't tolagala. Yeah, so le ngoma like producer ngo K Beats as usual. Yabo. Yama no Master Marvelous OG. Ibhoza le.
Guys in our life, dog.
Ibhoza le.
I'm a super fan of Master Marvelous, guys. You know, like I don't know, guys. I'm sorry, and I think I'm his biggest fan, dog. Yeah. Dog, when you called me, dog, like one and tumelile ni WhatsApp, I'm like, yes. Phama hana qala like, I'm like, yes.
Akwayivula message.
OG, as soon as actually before I even come, yo, Master Marvelous. Phama hana, dog, I'm so starstruck, dog. So how did you get on a song with the OG, dog?
So kwakusuppose ukudala sisebenzile no Master Marvelous ka last year kwingoma yeCity iphepha yawo khona nye track sasindandibethile it is funa amaphepha sifuna amaphepha imali yokuthenga sifuna amaphepha yawo so umjita waya bestudio wava lengoma ba as such rush yezinto la rush yezinto yava lengoma kufundini ngobantu bethu bezwa ke ngumjita wami le afonini usixela ba masingeni ngale ngoma man ngawo qanda athi mina kule ngoma amajonga mastanza ufaka wena kule ngoma alamjita like akho ghost but ke if isebenza ngamaxhonxe computer lawe iproject ya fucked up
crash
up until ndava le beat that's into uyivake ngile beat eqomba yo
masi
umntana wami sen abona like divi vocal yakhe apha nika ivi flow divi vocal yakhe like le beat yawo so ndamtouch ba hey man ikhona mani way apha yawo inke umshito waye free ngalamini waza immediately wayiva wakhala ba yo mntana wami yiyo le hayi ke the rest was history.
What did you do in order to be like that with the Master Marvelous? Can you just call him like that?
In fact, like I'm so sorry to say this, but if I can do anything at the
it's true.
Like I wanna like uyabona Master Marvelous animazi like that much. Umntwana mazi like ngamandla pha like ngomyumjito ekuthiwa ngo-OG Styles. One OG Styles like ibhoza yam from Fantoka. So Master Marvelous wafa nje le ngoma yami isithi amaphepha yabo. So wavalena aqomba umntanami like ayiyo le yabo.
Ngingabona ivideo yakhe iposter la like yo awe bayiyo le track lena nje langabe pha kulokhe la ni recorder pha kuwena yo bars la
andifuna ukuxela put us the song is dropping nge-6 kaJune akenyeka bafethu andifuna uxoka lo akenyeka bafethu like ina 2 verses ibeat because sebenza nayo no Master Marvelous khona umuntu benifuna umfaka qha ke yazi ke fethi izwize ze computer zethu kanikwazi like umfaka like uZER from ezinyoka shout out to him bro la so ndaphela ndihamba no Master Marvelous qha
you know he's an OG
and fethi defend alamjita jo
super fan sorry guys for being super
so defend ngabana be sorry fethi yazi defend ngabana pe ewom ngalo ithetha lento la defend Shottingham Slime Buffet.
Shottingham Slime. When are you coming to the podcast, dog?
Hey Majita nyamala mjitu Shottingham Slime.
When are you coming to the podcast, dog?
Andy is a dog. Okay, anytime.
When are you coming?
I can pull up, dog.
We.
I promise.
And if
as long as it's scheduled. Ndiskanga akomda
we. You are fit. You are chola mjita mchongeni bro like. Podcast bethi ke ayidibe successful but ngoba ikhona into nanko isophula amayimda keva kukholi now ikhona into like esisipana kuyo no Shottingham Slime but asikayigqibi lawo isapheko but yeah fethu but umjita please guys
bengena mva naye rap isixhosa these days like qoma wasti qo
ufike mna ufike mna ndichizizo wona ufike mna yeah losini kuni ufike mna so mfethu yabona ulamecha itrack yokuqala yo rap ivenek le kuniboniwe wonke umuntu ukhona umuzito lo ndidinga usiyo bekhuza ba efuna ngubalo segqibeleni ba ndithi
wena nithethe izino lena shot basho lena balamjito lamecha baqomechonga lapho isixhosa le week
yeah bro like wonke umuntu bekhona usiyo
yeah
la majita la laqala yavuthelana ngoba mkhulu mama wathakatha so yeah so yeah fethu yeah lawo.
So tell us about the song. What is the song about and how did you come up with can't tolagal ay fresh la we?
Okay mamela ke fethu yabona honestly speaking ikhona la ngoma ye-house it they can't tolagal bengihleli pha komndi mamela la ngoma yabona fethu like mna I'm a praying man bro. Ngumjito othandazayo I think it like ingoma once benento edibinise nomthandazo kwenye noThixo imotivation edibinise like yabona kanjani fethu like ndiba nomdla la ngoma ine line ethi ndinikiwe amandla amandla ezulu yebo usathana ngavimba kodwa uThixo ukhona so I was like hey le ngoma kudala yaba khona bro but ndiqala uyive noba 2 months back xa ndimamela I was like yes yabawela manje kwezinto le hip hop cha izawuthini ke nxa ifika apha ku hip hop lento yabo ndahamba xa ndifika apha e-studio ukolo betha i-beat ile beat I was like nansi le way nansi lento kwekho nansi lento kwekho
kantolaka
so la ngoma kahle isoka phana wena bro I understand xa ifika phala like engomeni like le yami ingoma no Master Marvelous ithetha ngobustrado no but it was like
friend but get idea it's like a sample as a sample yazi faka ihlami lo loop ithile
yabona kanjani
ingoma binge trap kodwa sample binge R&B like
so I was inspired by la ngoma lawo
and you say it's a smash hit
put us ngifuna ukukusela okay so shoot music video wayo yabo so shoot music video uyoqana ingcolile so wethu ndoyika uzabo bafika
yenza ko much
so andiyazi banzoze lokushina but like sayishoot up home music video wayo bro so yes music video wayo ndacela lo stakes ube khona bro
I want to be there I want to be everywhere
ngicela ke nazo enye request ogqibela nje la performance andikubona uyenza phanga sikuphinde phaka
dog hey
asikukhwele phezulu kwecoin ngqino bethela we
no guys I was like hey man can you book me so I can perform like
nibone lelo licho
like dala la perform guys like
bro
but like Undabuza none like but like the way so you say it's a hit and new music video is dropping soon or let's say whenever it's gonna drop but it's dropping on the 6th of June
ingoma 6 ka June ingoma but I music video asiyazi banini because kufuneka shoot eqala before anything else so and put us once ni announce ba si shoot ne music video wonke umuntu welcome put us yabo wonke umuntu welcome put us asifadele umuntu ngaphandle eyona aim yami namajita kokuhlanganisa ibhayi sorry bra in the name of ukuhlanganisa ibhayi shout out to Men B bafethu hala man
Laibona la is doing a lot for the culture right now
bro like what I'm trying to do ilanto yenziwa ila Grootman so please bye hlangana bafethu yabona kanjani so everybody is welcome ku music video ka Can't Get bafethu
Can't tolakala that shit is lit dog that shit is lit like, so I want to ask you like I've been seeing you like poster like you've been on radio and shit like how do you get on radio dog like yo like that shit is lit dog sanga about radio actually I've been on radio once but I went there with Umas Fundi and then I fumbled big time dog ezinangena emic-ini bonda bolisa umphulaphuli leno ngumjida lathi hello sisi phone yodwa hello sisi phone hello sisi yo sorry but has rating I did like a love life is a city na halawe samela we but like how do you get in radio like that
okay masi mamela apha qala lewe khona iwe uyilibeleke line uyenjani kwi-radio engasiyo eyalapha eBhayi engasiyo eyalapha e-Eastern Cape bro iAlfred Nzo ayiye lapha e-Eastern Cape ngiyangapha mfethu ndiyala ndawo jo
but uyazwanga ko like
apha yabona kanjani bro ngapha jo yawo so
how did you get that
abona phana fethu ndifumene i like email yawo
nawe
ngitha unsindile i-email ba yeah man phone nguwe umuntu one sound e right apha kathumela i-track zakho apha ndathumela za track noba ndazithumela ngomvulo kwahlaleka ngolesibini ngolesithathu ngolesine mfethu ngifuna uxoxela sana shout out noba ngubani mfethu like omamele pha yabo noba ngubani jo thanks bro yo so phana bamamele ingoma zami ngolesine I think so bamamele ngolesine because inanzoka i-message ndifumene ngolesine late ba mamela ke ngomso i-interview yakho live ngolesihlanu ngexesha 20:09 I was like hey kandi promote no promoter yabona kanjani mfethu yawo so xa ndifonelwa phana ela sister u Lady Ocean yawo Lady Ocean was like hey phone simamele ingoma zakho I just want to check if nguwe nyani nalo ngusiyabonga April ndinguMojito
Mojito
fethu mamele ingoma zakho apho so ngomso you are live yabona kanjani fethu so ndafumana i-email phanda submit i-track zami and shemba chazeka mfethu yabo shemba chazeka as such can't get ikhona i-possibility bangala mina drotshwa ngayo uzadlala kula radio station shout out bafethu
now you can do maybe something nyana lawe post nami on my page la ngithumela snippet some content shit la can't get kantholakala ngibona na kumpuma kapa TV la
like bro hustle
how does it feel like I need to be there nigga put me on if you know if to ban put people on kalele funny this is
bro put us like sisebenza kulo ndo ngokulawe but can kwazi ushiya number yami to anyone but umuntu like onfunayo uzonifumana like uMojito Facebook ku Twitter and elsewhere and yas people
TikTok
TikTok Mojito but ku Facebook Mojito itsotsi yaseBhayi na ku Instagram Mojito itsotsi yaseBhayi ku X Twitter ndinguMojito na ku TikTok Mojito
so like the TV thing like how did you get the gig Mpuma Kapa TV lengu pay TV mos
ingu pay TV
Mpuma Kapa TV
Kakuthini
uyaphana la can you plug me guys can you plug sheni la can you plug sheni la
kandi lusondela futhi pha kandi libele lawe kwakuthini but ndafonela ngilamjida uculi chorus pha ayas the vocalist shout out to him bro yabo ndafonela nguye ba hey ngathi siyafuna ku Mpuma Kapa TV but I'm not sure nini yabo caba phana ke waba director kumuntu wengoma because ingoma eyeyami qha ndifeaturesha yena no King Melisizwe yawo so waba referisha kumba ndifonela bayimfonini imali lengoma like so singakufumana njani uze apha lawo so bandifumana ngo ayas the vocalist
see but lawe dala state has been almost an hour now la yabo but maskhabisi sivale with a little bit and I'm to a few questions now like quick fast. God's Will Entertainment,
bro,
tell us about God's Will. How did that start and what's God's Will Entertainment?
Is been chilo ba I'm a praying man yonke into yami idibene no there's guys ninibona njengotsotsi kanje njengepower out there like lezi lamba zeleda ba no mama amnaye into ufuna uchebe nocheba yabo so I'm a praying man bro. God's Will Entertainment i-record label yami enzama iphusha and it's registered Pty Ltd nane i-shareholders ndim no K-Beats asemahle andalo mjini ngasemahle lasi no Thobela Malindisiyo so sisi-shareholders akhona mfethu otherwise akahlangana incam yabona kanjani even though istudio se-registered akahlangana incam mfethu I think thina silekisha abantu abanosinceda ba like siye ngaphi like yeah bro
so isaqala la we isaqala basically to start and you doing something yabona yahustlisha even yaphuma nisana ku TV la we you're on TV dog, you're on radio dog like also like that's a good thing like now I'm starting Eat Life Eat Life Media I see register shanga la but we want to maybe we can link us up and how to register
I would love to
just push movements like they call emotion I just want to say thank you love all those crazy with this born presence and it was a fucking dope episode
and I'm fit otherwise and I appreciate about like ndilapha yabo engosilo istacks mfethu cause bro
now shout out to perform like
asiqela kokona ndandibuza kubala kaka twafu ngiyala bewoma lo mthini ndayibona le bone and xa ndikubona ngqbe kuthene nyabile njengoqayamba estratweni cause lo mntu estratweni nguye lo beperform
they channel la we you know what ngoku man phamane la it's crazy awe
umna ndifuna umbuzo la we God's will bangapha abantu and their roles their respective roles
abantu ba God's will joke suppose that's why Ben City like we are struggling suppose baninzi but ngenxa ye distance and le yonke la way it's money consuming yabo so okwangoku sibayi 4 because ndingatsho basiba yi5 nguPillar B shout out to Pillar B bafethu so ndingatsho wa like uMohito CEO K Beats shareholder no CEO short name Slime Sisa no Lamecha is but ke ukude yena no ZER yabo so but ke akabi khonto enoyithethi bambekayo because we are really struggling bro
I'm struggling ish makenge you are moving dog moving dog you petty motion honey petty motion I think I need all of you now like everyone so petty shot them Slime next
you inja yami
petty KB's next petty going with the first guy that I ever did the podcast with before Umbasa Sisa Jafoni okay
usisa mfethu is part of the team yethu
awusisa liqala dog
jonga play yabona bro
drive dog everything dog
singayibali uplaka thina ngamashini
afun this nigga
ungazibali respective roles irrespective roles
irrespective roles are known like what do you mean respective?
Like I feel like everyone has their part to play in the record label. We don't all do the same thing. As an example, we're not all artists. Well, it's only a few of us who are artists. Probably think majority, but abanye bantu they all have a part to play. And it's not going to the mic, to the studio and recording. So kukho abantu aba talented kwezinye indlela but
everyone has
it's beneficial to all of us.
Everyone has a part to play dog like but everybody has like
like you see majority show holder ngomoyethu like team like uhlanganisa izinto uhlanganisa ubani nobani yabo ndiyanza
but maskini ngozo but let's say God's will guys how can we sign into God's will dog like now I'm on a record label guys that can push me dog push in Sisa what you want to ask bro
big dog I'm not trying to ask anything but how you get into God's will is there's this place we own, Young Toil. It's like a place. We go there, and then Siroki counts.
Whoa! No. I still want my booty hold tight, boy.
Yeah, I over.
Yeah. I don't want to stretch my booty hole. But is there anything you want to ask, dog? About your mojito? Maybe you want to ask anything you want to ask? Nothing. Right now, K-Beats, anything you want to ask, dog? But yeah, in fact, I just want to say thank you. Let's close it with this question. What's in the future for you, like as an artist? Like, okay, where do you see yourself in the future? Maybe in the next 2 years, 5 years?
Okay, I'm not sure what it is, but don't show it God's will is to be successful.
It's sure.
Yeah,
it's sure.
Onge amajita underrated as a mokrepa ngabonwayo. I promise podas kwikona enikuzo nzawo zanzokupulula. I will take you up with me. I promise ngalo way. Kumntu ozama hayo up there ningayeke ukuzama. Amajita bulaba kukudino. Sanudino abafethu.
Sure.
Dangi mfowethu.
Yeah, we'll see close on a nice note. Now I'm on a high note.
Okay. Nakhomba ndifuna ubuzo. When I put it, do you see yourself like being like big? Like not like one as the chapters or aka like since the technically way like osama like you seem like your bomb like
Ipai up. Yeah.
Like do you like see yourself like the way you're big but
as I promised, bro, in 2 years you're big the way and he was I'm telling you guys the way you're in theater. I don't care
I know this niggas.
Second theater. Yeah, and fun ben tete zinyizwile way but yeah bro I believe in myself. It's about big way.
Moshe kanjani bathini disemo train Paul as ne gang